Hi, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy, and I just want to remind you that as we get to the final few days of 2020, which has been a tough year, I think, for most of us, that it's also the final few days of our end-of-year giving campaign. And as we go through those final few days, I want to remind you that Khan Academy is a not-for-profit with the mission of providing a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. We can only do that work through philanthropic donations from folks like yourself. And any way you slice it, the social return on every dollar you give is really off the charts for Khan Academy. Think of the scale, think of the tens or hundreds of millions of folks that Khan Academy reaches in over 46 languages around the world. And if that by itself isn't convincing enough, I'll give you some of my favorite recent research that I've been looking at, which is how do you become a happier person? And there's some things like you should sleep enough, you should meditate, you should have gratitude, but also do random acts of kindness. And a very powerful random act of kindness would be to donate to Khan Academy. So not only will it help others tap into their potential around the world, millions and millions of people, I think it actually might make all of us happy by giving to it as well, and make you feel good about a strong way of ending an otherwise tough year and going into 2021 on a very, very positive footing. So if you're in a position to do so, please think about making a donation to Khan Academy. We wouldn't be able to do the work we do without you.